अस्सलाम वालेकुम उर्दू मीडिया व्यूअर्स। कायद आज़म यूनिवर्सिटी में आज क्लाइमेट चेंज के हवाले से एक सेमिनार ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया गया है। तो उस ऑर्गेनाइज किए गए सेमिनार के हवाले से हम आपको तफसीलात बताते हैं। यहाँ पे जो मेहमान खुसूसी है वो मैडम शयीर रहमान, और तो आप देख रहे हैं अरेंजमेंट बहुत अच्छा किया गया है। आइए तो हम आपको मज़ीद प्रोग्राम की तरफ लेके चलते हैं।
प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स, बट अगर कहीं गलती से पानी आ जाए तो वो, जैसे मेरे सामने दो होते हैं, मैंने दोनों नहीं खोली। हम अमूमन आप भी नहीं करते होंगे कि हम पानी बहुत वेस्ट करते हैं। आप कहीं पर भी जाते हैं, आपको जगह जगह पानी की बोतल मिलेगी, हम खोलेंगे, दो घूंट लेंगे, फैशन के तौर पर किया कि खोल के पी लिया है कि ठीक है किसी ने पैसे लगाए, हमारे जो नहीं लगे, एंड देन वी वेस्ट, देन वी लेफ्ट दैट बॉटल देयर. So kindly, we can do that small thing, that we can take that bottle, you can finish it, and then you can put some plant, or you can utilize it in a different way. Then so many other things, lights का किस तरह से ज़्यादा ना लगाना, solar पे जाना, different sort of a things. बहुत सारे लोगों को अमूमन ये लगता है, क्योंकि काफ़ी अजीब भी लगता है सुनना कि बहुत सारे पढ़े लिखे लोगों को शायद लगता है कि क्लाइमेट चेंज का हल सिर्फ दरख्त और पौधे लगा देना है, which is also not something a great myth. Of course, you guys are much more talented and knowledgeable. Like this, what I'm sharing is nothing, but these are those experiences which I have shared, which I have experienced, which we go daily. Like for few people, they think that the plantation is a great movement, which is not. Because most of the time, they don't care which sort of a plant where we are putting. So I think people like you who are having the great potential of the social media, you have the greatest support, gadgets you have here in your hand. Like right now sitting 50 people or 60 people or 100 people, whoever is sitting here, we can all collaborate with each other. Collaboration is not the MOU signing ceremonies and all that stuff. We can support each other. If I'm raising some voice, if you are raising some voice, if your institution is raising some voice, Qaid Azam Institute is a huge name. Like people took this name with a whole pride. So why can't, I'm sure you guys have so many departments, so many alumni and things. So we can force each other, we can push each other, because sometimes कुछ चीजें सब करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन एक छोटा सा पुश जो है वो चाहिए होता है कि चलो आओ मेरे तक इस तरह से करें. I think that can help. अगर 10 लोग मिलकर कोई ट्रेंड बना सकते हैं तो हम भी बना सकते हैं. Because I properly, clearly, not only said, I again use the word of hammering. Wherever I go, I hammer that we don't want aid. We want trade, one. We don't want aid from anyone in the form of composition. We want the trade, one. We have to make them realize that we don't need that. 15 days of COP, what's the use? Like in today, like in this COP as well, I've said, individually, everyone has the right to say. So I said it, that why we have to do it 15 days, we need to do in the smaller time, because it goes all year, the preparations. But we need to come up with the solid solutions. For those countries, those are suffering. और अब जैसे आप लोग जो environmental sciences में पढ़ रहे हैं, आप लोग ज़्यादा बेहतर जानते हैं. I don't came over here कि मैं आपको कुछ lecture देने आई हूँ. मैं तो आपसे सीखना चाहूँगी और सीखती भी रहती हूँ, because I believe learning has no end. We all have to learn. Number one, and number two, I believe that मुझे आपसे support चाहिए, because I can be your voice, but you can my arms, you can my strength. And SDGs is a secretariat which is totally not a political secretariat. Like from 2nd June till now, I don't think so anybody can claim that they have seen me on any talk shows. I always say that whoever wants to talk to me or they want to interview me, please talk on the SDGs. So I very proudly, I don't say that I want to take the credit, but yes, the Parliament of Pakistan has done that. So we've got success to bring this agenda on the General Assembly of IQ, जहाँ पर 2 जन तो कहते हैं मांगो तो कमर मिलेगा, पर ईमान से मांगते हैं But anyways, no, thank you so much. I'm just looking forward. I would request to the EPA, I would request to you Vice Chancellors, that please come up with the working groups with us, suggest us, help us, tell us. We are always welcome. We would love to work along, and we are doing that. So thank you so very much. Have a nice day. Look after yourself. I love it.
Madam, we will not be taking too much time, as we have to reach to a meeting. So I directly proceed to to the Sha'یر distribution ceremony, I would request Professor Dr. Rifat Naseem Malik to give a Sha'ir to Ms. Romina Khurshed Alam. Please come on to front. Now I request Madam Romina, please present a sheet to Professor Dr. Rifat Naseem Malik. So the sheet for Dr. Wahid Yusuf. Wahid Yusuf, please come on the stage. A sheet for Dr. Muhammad Ishtiyaq Ali, Director Academics. A sheet for Dr. Mohsina Zubair from Pakistan Media. We also have a sheet for Madam Fazana Al-Bahar, DP EPA, but she is not here due to some family.
On her behalf, I want to take that.
Sure.
Because it's a baby letter. She's my teacher as well. If anyone, because we after 3 to 4 months we print come up with our report, which is called their watch, and then we put those things on the website of our SDGs as well. So I would request any sort of a good material in the written form or in the pictorial form, if you guys have, please do send us, do share us, so we can share that on our SDGs, not only on the SDGs website. In fact, we can print on in our web watch as well. And if it could be specifically like, how many words, Sadaf? Sorry? 400 to 500 words, and pictures, of course, you can also send that. So please, we are looking forward to that. And हमारी last stage है उसको submit करवाने की this week में. So please, अगर किसी के पास कोई ऐसा material जो आपको लगता है कि globally किसी के दिमाग को बोल सकता है, और हमारे भी या किसी और के भी, तो please do share with us. Thank you. So we have some more. We have sheets for the organizing committee. Dr. Mazhar Iqbal Zafar, please come on the stage and receive your sheet. Dr. Muhammad Abdullah Khan. Dr. Mahtab Ahmed. And Dr. Asif Sajjad. For Hazri beverages, if Pradeep Saab is here, he is requested to come please to receive his speech.
मेट्रोकेशन कैरी, मिस्टर मोहम्मद इरशाद रामे फ्रॉम NCPC, Zahid Shah from SSC, we have a shield for Mr. Faisal Ali Baloch, Deputy Chief Ministry of Planning, Development and Special Initiatives.
आखिरी के दलील डॉक्टर मदद साहब जी और मेन ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगता कि एकेडमिया से हैं, बिल्कुल इसी तरह काम करते हैं जैसे कोई INGO का कभी इनके साथ काम करते हुए प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। और मैडम रमीना, मैं आपका तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ, मेरी बहन है और मैं आप सबसे जो बताना चाहता हूँ कि शहरी रहमान साहिबा ने आना था और उनकी कल रात की फ्लाइट थी, वो जेट ब्लॉक की वजह से वो नहीं पहुँच सकी, तो हमने इनको कल 1 बजे कराची में फ़ोन किया। इन्होंने कहा कि मैं कैसे अब पहुँच सकूँगी, मेरी सुबह फ्लाइट है। तो मैंने कहा आप मेरी छोटी बहन है तो डायरेक्ट एयरपोर्ट से आ जाइएगा। तो ये बिल्कुल एयरपोर्ट से सीधी आ रही है और इससे ज़्यादा इनकी मोहब्बत हमारे साथ हो नहीं सकती इस यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ, इस कॉलेज के साथ। हम इकट्ठा इंशाल्लाह काम करेंगे।
भाई आगे बैठना है। हाथ तो उठाओ। ये यहाँ से आप पीछे जाए।